The topic of discussion here is I am a foreigner and registering a company in Singapore, and I also want to get bank finance. Is it possible? So, first of all, let's understand that finance can be of two categories or two types. The first one I will call it as a working capital loan. It is normally in the form of LC financing, letter of credit, trade financing, working capital for office expenses, accounts receivable financing, and so on. And the second type is fixed asset loan. So, fixed asset loan can be for property or it can be buying of new plant and machinery. So, before moving ahead, I want to ask you one question. If you are a foreigner and open a new company in your home country, then will the banks in your home country will they offer you working capital financing? I think the answer obviously is no. And for Singapore, then it should not really change the situation. In fact, in Singapore, it will be difficult because you are a foreigner and not normally residing in Singapore. So let's first have a look on working capital finance, which is typically LC financing, trade financing, or financing of business expenses. So normally the practice is this kind of loan is not available for the businesses in the first year of operations of the company. You will typically need to show at least some profitable background of your company before you can obtain this loan. Because these loans normally tend to be for expenses and are not secured by the assets like property or plant and machinery. It also requires that 30% of the shareholding to be owned by Singapore citizens or permanent residents. So I'll just show you OCBC Bank loan portfolio. Okay, so here I am searching for OCBC Bank business loan. So as you can see, I am on OCBC business banking site and it is showing me working capital loan and fixed assets. So if I go to working capital section, let's say I want to apply for the business first loan. So you will notice here in the requirements eligibility, it says at least 30% is owned by Singaporean or Singapore PR, and it also requires a guarantor who must be a Singaporean or Singapore PR. So generally you can check any working capital loans and you will find that 30% requirement is always there. So moving on to the next type of loan, fixed asset financing, which is typically for a commercial property or for machinery. Normally in this case, there is no issue in getting this loan even in the first year of operations. The primary reason is that these loans are typically protected or secured by a lien on the property or the machinery for which they are being used. And also, majority of the cases, the promoters or the company owners are required to put 20% of down payment at least. However, in this case also, you require 30% of the shareholding to be owned by Singapore citizens or permanent residents. So if I check on fixed asset section on OCBC banking website, and let's say that I want to have commercial property loan, and it will say eligibility for Singaporean registered entities only with at least 30% local shareholding. So in general, these loans are also not available to those companies whose promoters are foreigners and they reside abroad. So does that mean that you don't have any other option? Is there any other alternative to get a financing? So there is one option, but that is applicable only if you have a unique idea and it's proven and you are looking for financing to grow that idea. For example, you might have developed some IT gadget which currently nobody is producing and it has a unique value and there is a demand. Then in that circumstances, you can approach Enterprise SG. The website is enterprisesg.gov.sg and they can help you to get the necessary financing and maybe even venture capital funding and any other working capital loan that you may require. However, keep it in mind that this will be only for unique ideas which typically happen to have some kind of intellectual property value. So in summary, obtaining bank finance for foreigner incorporated companies in Singapore is difficult.
Thank you for watching this video. This video was brought to you by Epica Consulting Singapore. Subscribe to our channel today to get notified when new videos are posted.